Hi everybody, this is Generic Fun 95. And today I'm going to be unboxing my new iPad. It's a 64 gigabyte 9th generation Wi-Fi. And I got an iPad because I can actually do more with an iPad. I can do a lot with my phone too. I could equally use them both along with my computers. But anyway, this is the front of the box. Looks really thin. Here's the side. Here's the back. 64 gigabytes. And now let's open it. Damn plastic. Oh, never mind, I got it. I'm just gonna take the plastic and put it. Oh yeah, these shorts I'm wearing right now don't have pockets. I'll just have to set them aside. Set it all aside somewhere. Okay, now let's open the box. That's the pad. Let's see what's in here. I think these are the user's manuals. I'm gonna need this box for something. This is what it's supposed to look like. Directions on how to stickers. I might use them so it doesn't look so boring. More instruction manuals. Put them off to the side. Put them back in here. Along with the box. And here's a plug. And here's another plug for it. Now I'm going to see what else is in here. I think this is actually glued shut because I don't think you can take anything more out. So, but last but not least, we have the iPad itself. Let's open it. Wow. Look at that logo. Oh, it doesn't have my screen protector on. It doesn't have any protective film on. So this is the iPad itself. It hasn't been turned on. It's brand new. Here's the side, the back, you could actually plug this into a keyboard. There's the C port. I'm going to have to temporarily put this to the side because it needs a screen protector, and that's how I got this. So now let's open the screen protector. They just always wrap everything in plastic these days, you know. I have a keyboard and keyboard case for it, but I'm going to do that last because this needs to come on first. This is tempered glass I got for it. Hope it'll fit. Alright, now we're going to apply it to the iPad. Get my iPad out of the box. Gotta be careful not to smudge the screen. Alright, so here's the protective case that I bought with it. Take this off. And now we are going to apply onto the iPad. Make sure it looks nice and neat. Sorry I'm in the way, I just want to make it look nice. I think that's good. Let that all settle in. You see it's sticking because the bubbles are going out. I wanted to make sure it's all on before I start using it. By the way, not all the bubbles can come out, so you might have to just push them out. And it fits perfectly. It's a 10 by 2 inch screen, and I could do a lot more with this big screen. I could watch YouTube videos on it at night, watch my own videos. I also got an adapter for it, but that's for another day. Guess we can throw these out now. I'm going to try turning it on. If there's an on button anywhere. Oh, I think it's here. Oh, there's the Apple logo. I'm going to still get these bubbles out. Yeah, they'll come out. See, there's the Apple logo. Hello. I don't know if it's loading or what. It's at 73%, which is a pretty good charge. Obviously English, United States. Set it manually. Now I have to go plug it in to get my Wi-Fi. I have to put my Wi-Fi password in now, so I'll be right back. Alright, I am now connected to Wi-Fi. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad, because this is a brand new iPad, but in the meantime, we could actually wait. Data and privacy. Continue. Touch ID. Yes, I want to set it up. It also has the button too. It's getting to know my fingerprint scan. Oh, I see how you do it. Yeah. Oh, it has to get my full... Sorry, you can't see it too well. Continue. Alright, now I'm going to create a password. App and data. Restore from iCloud backup. Don't transfer. Apps and data. Restore from iCloud backup. Apple ID. Hold on, this may take a while. Alright guys, sorry it took a little while, but I had to create a new Apple ID because the one on my phone I couldn't download onto this because it was being a pain in the ass. Because technology sucks these days. But finally I got my iPad set up even more. Yes, I'll have Siri on my iPad. Continue. Share with Apple. Apple Analytics. Wait. Here we go. So here's my stuff I got on here. You can see it's actually, oh crap, as you can see in Cupertino it's 88 degrees, which is where Apple is made. I could actually take a first photo. Oh, I think I'm covering the camera. How does the video look? Doesn't look so good, does it? I'm gonna take a photo on here. Here's the first photo now I made on my iPad, which I only have one picture on now, so here it is. It's on the camera. These are your apps, or my apps in this case. Music. Unfortunately, I cannot transfer because technology is an asshole. Oh, and I think I spit on it on accident. Maps, App Store. But there's no way I'm going to rebuy all my music onto my iPad. That's just stupid. I'll just do it on my phone instead. So yeah, that's really the iPad. Oh, but for something extra, I'm going to unbox this, which is my keyboard case. This last stupid plastic thing to open. They say it's from Cupertino, but in reality, it's actually from China. Everything's made in China anymore, which is stupid. I just wish we could make our own stuff. Alright, so here's the keyboard case. This has a keyboard and a case built into it, which is very smart. Oh, and it comes with a wire to charge, of course. You can actually turn this into a little laptop if I can get this open, which I think... Oh, it's not attached. Here's the manual. Another thing. And these wires. Take that out. Put my iPad in. Which I know it will fit because it's a 10 by 2. Just have to fit this in if I can. Alright, get in there, you. I just hope it's not too big. Oh, there we go. Now my iPad has a case. But there's no way I could actually... Wait, hold on. I don't think I can get it off because it's sewn on. I can move the keyboard at least a little bit. And I could use it as a little laptop, see? But first I have to get this connected. Oh, and look at this. There's a keyboard here, and it lights up. So bright, dim, or nothing. I guess if I want to go home I have to hit the button. It's almost like a new computer, except it's a little hard. I have to get all the apps on my phone and re-download them onto here. But probably not the music. For example, if I were to go to the internet, I could just type something like YouTube, for example, and I'll be at YouTube. Which I can't see? I use my finger to scroll and everything. I know it says I have to finish it up, but I'll do it later. I think I can, I don't know, but measure, magnifier, yeah, so basically that's the iPad. It's from 2021, from last year, but it'll last a while. It's newer than my phone. Well, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as best as you could. And I'll see you guys all next time, maybe with a new connector thingy that connects to the TV. I'm planning on playing videos on here, so I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.